Hi everyone, Dan from ON1 here. Hopefully by now you've all heard about ON1 360. If you haven't, let me give you the 30-second version. With ON1 360, you'll be able to view and edit your photos no matter where they live, on your computers, laptops, smartphones, or tablets. You simply choose which photos you want to share between devices, and ON1 360 does the rest automatically. Now there are three parts that make up ON1 360. First is ON1 Photo RAW on Windows and macOS computers. It combines digital asset management, raw processing, and powerful effects all into a layered non-destructive workflow. Second is ON1 Photo mobile app on iOS and Android. It has a pro-level camera with manual controls and the same raw processing as ON1 Photo RAW. And last but not least is the ON1 360 service. It allows all of your devices to talk to each other so you can view and edit your photos from anywhere. Now there's been a lot of questions about how ON1 360 works. People want to know if they have to store all of their photos in the cloud or on all of their devices. Well, the simple answer is no. Your originals are stored wherever you want, and for most of us that means a hard drive attached to one of our computers. ON1 360 works by creating a smaller, high-quality compressed version of the photos you choose to share. With these raw versions, it allows you to view and edit them on any device without having to download the original photo. And that means they take up a lot less space than the original, meaning they save you time and money. Now the compressed version has all the dynamic range and all of the color of the original. They're perfect for editing, sharing, and even printing common sizes. Now if you need access to the originals, you can store those in ON1 360 too. And of course your original photo is always safe in its original home. Now that compressed version, its metadata and its non-destructive editing settings are all stored on the ON1 360 servers. When you want to view or edit that photo on another device, it quickly streams that compressed version to that device. When you make a change to the metadata or you edit the photo, those changes are recorded back to the ON1 360 servers, and then all of the devices on your account see those changes. If you choose to store your originals in ON1 360, you can download a copy of the original photo no matter where you're at or what device you're on. Putting your original in ON1 360 doesn't mean you're moving the original from its location. The original master is still there wherever you choose to store it at. Let me give you an example. If you import or you take photos with the ON1 Photo mobile app, those original photos live on that device. But we also upload copies of the originals to ON1 360. Then on my computer, I can see that device, I can see those photos, and I can download copies of the original photos so I can store them and organize them the way I want to. Now it's practical to have all of the photos that you care about on any device and any place that you work. And that's what this is really all about. It's about choice. You choose which of your photos you want to have accessible. It could be your portfolio, it could be just your current jobs, or it could be every photo you've ever taken. You have the choice of where the original photos reside, and you have the choice of how you want to organize them. If you store your photos on an external drive in subfolders, great. Why should you have to change that? Want to save money? Choose the compressed raw version option. You can do all the same stuff you would with the original, but with less space. Want a choice about your editing? Instead of using cookie cutter results with limited options like other RAW processors, ON1 Photo RAW has all the professional controls and filters you need to make your photos look their best, all in one layered, non-destructive, and now synchronizable workflow across all of your devices. Thanks for watching.